Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a tutorial about how to install the Silkroad Laravel project on your Windows server or Windows 10, like any kind of Windows you need. Okay, at first we need to download Laragon, which is the web server responsible for running the server itself. Okay, so you'll find the link in here, laragon.org. I'm going to include the links in the description. Okay, at first, this is the downloads page. At first, we need to download the Laragon full version. Okay, so once we start to download it, it will take like after downloading, it will take like 2 minutes or something like that to install. Okay, I'm just going to cancel this. I've already installed it, and then we need to download the PHP version we need. Okay, so let's just open it. We need version 7.4. Okay, I'm going to get to the Windows downloads. That's the one, 7.4. Okay, and we need to download the thread safe one. Okay, and don't forget to choose your Windows core, which is 64 bits or a 86. Okay, but this is a non-thread. We need only the thread safe. So this is the thread safe for a for 64 bits, and this is the thread safe for the 86. Okay, I'll download this one, the ZIB one. Okay, start download. Alright, and let's grab it in here. Okay, now we have the required files to start. Okay, at first we're going to start Laragon, only to start and install it. I won't like show you how to reinstall it because I've got it already installed, so I'm going to just show you the beginning. In here we just choose your language. Okay, press next. Here choose the direction or directory, and I guess okay, you can just include this and run Laragon when the Windows starts. We don't need the auto virtual hosts. Okay, and then press next, then install. Okay, so this is the first step of installing it. Once you've finished, you can just at first extract this one. Okay, this is all what we need, and we can just right click on this one and extract it. This one is the PHP SQL Server Drivers. Okay, we can just go and download it. Here's the download Microsoft drivers for PHP for SQL. Just press on it and the download will start. Okay, as for me, just to make sure to that I got everything ready, I usually try to install Composer. I know it should be included in the Laragon, but I like to install it by myself to be able to turn it to the correct version of PHP. Okay, so just go to the Composer setup.exe in here, just download it. Okay, then everything is done right now. Hold on. Alright, after we download the SQL Server file, just right click on it and extract it. Okay, we need in here the specific files with the version itself. Okay, in here we download the PHP version 7.4, which is this one. Okay, but we need the 64 bits. Okay, this is the one we need, and we need this one also. Okay, this is the BDO SQL server service, and this is the SQL service itself. So just copy them and go to the extracted folder of the PHP version. Then go to extensions and paste it in here. Alright, now we've got it ready. Just copy the whole folder and go to the directory of Laragon. Okay, then go to the bin and look for PHP and just paste it in here. Okay, I have got it already in here, so I want just click paste. After you do that, start Laragon. Okay, right click on Laragon after you after you install it, just run it, and then right click on its tray icon. Okay, then go to PHP version and select the version you need, which is 7.4. Okay, then go to the extensions and make sure to check the BDO SQL service 7.4, and then do the same thing for the SQL service 7.4. Okay, once that is done, we got everything ready. Okay, you need to just start the services, so you can just double click on this one on the tray icon. Okay, and here I recommend to go to the settings and mark on start all automatically and run minimized and run Laragon when Windows starts. Okay, once you do that, you can just press start. This button should show a start button instead of a stop. Okay, once you do that, everything is ready for you to start installing the Laragon itself. Okay, so just I mean the website, not the Laragon. I'm sorry. Okay, but before that, I recommend to install the composer. Just double click on it. Okay, install for all users. Then next, in here choose the PHP version. If it's not there, you can normally just browse it. Browse, then go to the directory of Laragon. Alright, then search for PHP, choose the version, then choose php.exe itself. Normally it should show you a checkbox in here, shows add to path. Just check it to be able to use it with Composer. Okay, then press next, then finish the installation. Alright, now let's head to Laragon, then the www folder. Okay, hold on a sec. Okay, just right click and then you'll find a button called terminal. Click on it. In here we need to get the files or the line. Okay, hold on a sec. Yeah, this one. Okay, just copy it and paste it in here. Press enter. Now it will start to clone the get repository, okay, of the website itself. So let's wait till it's finished. Alright, we have finished the downloading. Okay, now we need to go and set up the files itself. Okay, so I first go to Laragon and then click on database. I will open this program. Okay, like this. Just press open. Like the user's root and password there is no password at all, so just click open. It will connect directly to the databases you have. Okay, now we need to create a database, call it db underscore Silkroad. So we just need to create database and name it db underscore Silkroad, then press OK. But in here, like, I usually use the Unicode. Okay, press OK. Now the database is ready. Alright, now we have to go to the file, Silkroad Laravel. Okay, we need to have that file called .env. Unfortunately for Windows, if you just try to rename it, it will give you normally error in Windows Server. It will give you that you can't make a name of extension only without a name, because this is an extension. It's not a name, it's an extension. for the files. So you can just like I can upload a null file for you. Okay, I'm going to upload this file. Just put it in in this folder. Okay. All right. Just right click on here and then get to terminal. Then open the .env file. Get your database connection ready. All right. Like at first in here you have to add the website name that appears in the title bar. Okay. And in here you can add the app URL, the URL of your website, and this is description for your website, and this is the time zone for your website, like the time zone of your server itself. Okay. In order to get the correct time zone, just go to the search and add PHP time zone, and this is the list of time zones in here. Like choose your continent. Okay, as for me it's Africa, so I'm searching for Africa Cairo. Okay, just copy it and paste it in here. Okay, now get down here, and in here this is the MySQL connection. Don't forget we are using two connections in here, one for MySQL and one for Microsoft SQL. This is the Microsoft SQL. Okay. Alright, in here write your host. You can use it like if you're using a different server for the website, like if you're using two VPS dedicated servers itself, and you're separating the server files and the website files. In here you can add the other VPS IP address, and in here the connection port, and write the database name and username and password. A As for MySQL, you usually add it in the same machine. Okay, so just use the default ones. Okay, in here we have to remove this one because our username is root and there is no password. Okay, get down here. This is the Microsoft SQL connection. Okay, in here add the server IP. Like this server got another IP, just add it. If you're using the same machine, you can just get the instance name. Okay, this is the instance name. Add it in here. Remove the port because there should be no port. If you That's only if you're using the same machine for the server files and the website. Okay. If you're using another VPS, just write in here the VPS IP, and this is the connection port. Okay. All right. And this is the databases. Okay. You can just rename it to what you want, and you can just ignore this one. And this is the main Microsoft SQL database for the website. Okay, and this is the username and password, so just that what you want. This is my connection. Okay, and in here, okay, we have everything ready. Just save the file. Okay, go to the terminal. We need to start Composer install. It will install the packages we need to run the server. Alright, once it's finished, you can just go and include the database thingy to just migrate it. Okay, but this one will take a while, so I'm going to pause the video until it finishes. Okay. Alright, now the installing in here is finished. Okay, now we can simply start by PHP artisan migrate. Okay. Okay, this error is about the connection about in the to the Microsoft SQL. Okay, so I just have to make sure that I have everything ready. Okay, yeah, and here I don't have the database I need. Okay, you have to create the databases before trying to migrate. Okay, so just write it this is the database. Press OK. um, I guess this one, yeah, this error because I already had one and I just renamed it. Okay, so just hold on. Let's try again. It already exists. Okay. Let me drop this one. Yep, now it's created. Let's run the same code again. In here, like, I recommend to do this one to start seeding and adding the data to the database itself. I mean the data records. Okay, now it has everything ready. Okay, finished. So we need to just do this PHP artisan storage link PHP artisan key generate. I guess now everything is very or pretty well. So you can just like right click on Laragon and then go to public and switch document root and select another. Okay, then go to this PC and go to the Laragon directory, then www, then choose the website, the folder of the website, and then go to the public. Don't forget to choose the folder called public. Then press OK. Now it should run the server normally if you go to the local host. Okay, now we have the website running. Okay, let me just give you some advices to not like make anything conflict. Whenever you do any changes in this folder, I mean this file, the .env file, normally you should just run this one, php artisan cache clear, or you can do sorry, I'm not cache config clear. No, and you can also do it with config cache. Okay, so this one to reload the .env file. Alright, now if you're having some kind of something cached on the website, something like the Fortress War or the timers and the online, currently online stuff, you can simply just clear the cached files. The cache files, okay? Like, as for the Fortress, it gets the cache gets wiped every, I guess, like daily or something like that. Okay, so you can just run php artisan cache clear this one to clear the cache. Okay, if you have installed your custom theme or something like that, you want to clear the view for it to like re-render the new stuff, so just do view clear. Okay, once you do that, feel free to use the system as much as you want. If you have any comments or issues, you can just like contact me, or normally you can contact devsum or anyone in this server. You can just talk in there and we will respond to you as soon as we are available. Alright, hope this one covers everything in this subject. See you soon.